This video is going to be about Westworld. It's a TV show on HBO. In some of the clues that have been left around, you can find out where something is. Now, the translation in this Finnish version gave an actual location, approximately 10 degrees north and approximately 15 degrees east. Now, there's some variation in this because you'll see in another version of it, here's the map that's being pointed to. That's north of a specific long, stringy looking island in the South China Sea in this area here, and over here is apparently Vietnam. So we can look at the next image and get the idea. There's a couple of lines here in a political map, current one, for Vietnam, South China Sea, and you can see that this is the number 10 and this is the number 115 mark, I think. Yeah, there's 16, that's number 115, there's 114, and this would be 10. That would be the most likely one. And the person's gesturing to pointing to there and telling a person who owns a boat, I need to get there to get back to, presumably, Westworld. So the locations indicated, if you're not aware of it, are these. Let me zoom in really harsh. One of them is, if it'll resolve, this ring-shaped island. Obviously too small and too sparse of material. Then we get a couple of islands in a row here. And then we get this other thing. Right off of there is this underwater plateau. And it's basically an ancient sunken island, a big one. It's about 100 by 75 miles. And that could be your Westworld right there. So anyway, there's that. And what else is out there that's big enough to hold something as big, presumably, as Westworld? To make it to where you could have a big enough area. Not a dang thing. Now, the other thing that's going on in this area is China has started, there's another seamount there, but that's way further north than it would indicate on the map. Out here, China has been doing something close to terraforming, creating chains of islands to create a position dominance or whatever. You get the idea. Anyway, this stuff here is underwater from 30 feet to 150 feet. Now, if you could build enough of a berm around all of it, I'm not kidding about it, basically 150-foot tall piles of rubble or whatever, I mean, don't tempt China, they'll do it, and then drain the thing, you could make it into an island. Or just wait for the next ice age to drop the water levels. Anyway, it's called tablemount. It's got another name for it. And it's northeast of Palawan, Puerto Princesa, I can't pronounce it. There's the Sulu Sea. This is the East China Sea. And there's the 10 by 15 line right here. And, well, this is most likely what you're looking at. The idea is that sometime in the near future, this would be turned into yet another large area of real estate. Westworld Season 3, Bernard pulls out a map to show the parks located to a local boat owner as a spot by Latin Lawn, position 10 by 115, or close to it. It's near Spratly Island at 10 by 14, and a Finnish subtitle showed it as being 9 by 15 approximately, as Mischief Reef, 60 miles north. But all are in the South China Sea platform or plateau area. To its northeast is a 70 by 100 mile across, 30 to 150 feet deep underwater oceanic plateau called Recto or reed bank or tablemount at 11.3 north by 16.75 east. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with it.